Hey guys, KylaTea here with kind of a chatty video today. If you watch my previous video, then you will know that one reason why I was kind of MIA for most of February was because I was working on a major commission for illustrations for my first published children's book. Well, not I didn't personally write it, but I provided the illustrations for it. We used to have money, but now we have you a dad's bedtime story. So it's a really kind of funny book. I explain more in that video. Definitely check it out. It's available on Amazon, on Google, and on iBooks, and it's only 99 cents. So they're like, it's a really good book, and it's for 99 cents. Like that's a fantastic deal. So come on, check it out. If you know someone who has kids, or who is pregnant, or who is who is adopting, or what have you, might be on their second or their third child, I think they might appreciate kind of like the little subtle nod to the very big financial changes that happen once you have a kid, but also realizing that if it was possible, they would still do it all the same, because honestly, money pales in comparison to the happiness of your kid. No, I don't know, that's how I view it. But yeah, so that was the reason why I was kind of gone most of February. And this video is actually me starting to do concept work for my character in the new D&D campaign that I'm doing. So I've only been doing D&D for like maybe about, D&D is Dungeons and Dragons for those who don't know. I've only been doing that for about maybe a year, but it's been a very off and on year. The campaign I was on was very sporadic. But I have a new DM who was one of the members in the old campaign and said, look, I need you all to make a level 5 character. Now that's saying something, because normally your character, when you make it, is just level 1, and then they build up experience points and level up as you go along in the game, depending on how long it is. So the fact that we're starting out at level 5 is really saying something, because I don't know what he has in store for us. He's probably gonna murder us all in the first run, but so this character is kind of like my last character that I made, in which he is based off of a comic character that I'm developing for a series that I want to do down the line. I find that, at least the last time I did it, this is one good way of kind of getting to really know your characters. Like, you get to play them, get to be in their mindset, kind of explore their past a bit, if you want to be direct with it. I changed his past up a bit, but overall his kind of personality and spirit are the same with the original character that I had. So what you're seeing is pretty much me in the very early concept drawing stages of drawing Leopold, my tiefling character. He is, I believe I made him 32. He is an actor. Not an actor, but an actor. He is very serious about his craft, but he's a pretty laid back individual. Like, he is mostly a people pleaser. He really he really loves the crowd. He loves the energy that they bring. He respects his craft, and he does have a bit of a hot temper, like a lot of tieflings kind of do. One thing that really sets him off is if he sees bad acting, or if he sees someone disrespecting any artistic craft, because he grew up in a acting troupe. He was wandering around when he was younger, was picked up by this guy and his boyfriend, and was pretty much going around with their acting troupe for years. And he really did love the atmosphere and just getting to pretend to be somebody else, because he had a lot of insecurities there with his appearance. He often wears kind of a very Venetian like face mask, to go out in public, as well as if there is no handsome human man they can find for the role. Like if one of their actors, because the thing with the troupe is too is that sometimes they'll break off and go like do a solo stint for a while, but then they always end up coming back. So if like the pretty boy is gone, they know Leo can do the acting for the role because he has a very like powerful charisma. It's just his appearance is so demonic and off-putting for some people that it's like, how could how could anyone fall in love with him, which is pretty sad. But he wears like this Venetian kind of almost handsome Jack mask. I don't know why I used him as an example, but whatever. But he wears this mask, and it kind of is a testimony to his acting skill because people still buy it, even though he has like a tail swishing back and forth behind him. They still believe it because he's that good. So yeah, and it turns out that me and another friend of mine, when we didn't create these characters together, mind you, we just heard you need a level 5 character right now. And we were talking one night about what we were doing, and I said, yeah, I'm making mine a tiefling. And they were like, I'm doing that with mine. And so they ended up creating a very like angry, quiet boy. No, not boy. They're non-binary. Sorry. So they ended up creating like this kind of angry, very sullen, almost like emo kind of tiefling, and they were like, "Oh, this is gonna be so funny." Because he can't control his temper at all, and like he does not give a single fuck. And I'm like, oh no, that's like Leo's one big thing because he's such a people pleaser. He wants the crowd to always kind of be happy or whatever. It's kind of like never let the audience know that you're going under anything. The show must go on. They can never know if you're having a problem or anything like that. Like you keep performing. So Leo always adopts that philosophy, and if somebody else doesn't have it, it's gonna drive him up the wall. But yeah, I really look forward to playing this character. The last character I had was also based off of a comic concept character that I had for a while. She was a necromancer, very just kind of over it. She was over a lot of stuff, very kind of, I think I made her like lawful neutral because she very much like is a lawful neutral. But yeah, that was one thing I liked about her, was that she was also very calm. I have a penchant for making very calm characters. I think it's because my own personality is one of being calm, or at least trying to be calm. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna let this play all the way through. I will direct you all though that at a point, I think during this, I stopped and I started streaming on Twitch, which is something else that I am also starting to do more of, is I'm just trying to stream on Twitch more. So you might see part of that interspliced here. I don't know yet. But yeah, if you want to see me draw live, then go follow me on Twitch. I'm at the same handle at KylaTea. Just look me up and follow me there. I'm also going to try and see if maybe I can't do a YouTube live stream one day. I'm going to try and see, because one thing that this suck internet over here does is that the connection strength and the lag is ridiculous. Oh, it's horrible. So I don't know if maybe it'll be better through YouTube or maybe through Twitch. I don't know. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna let this play out a bit. There really is no finished version of this because I finished it off camera, but I will show you like finished video version of this, but I will show you the finished concept page overall that I have for him. And so this is what Leo looks like, or at least these versions of Leo that I have, and then this was the final version that I picked. Expect a full body pick coming soon, because one thing I was struggling with was his outfit. and then Fashion Week happened, and whoa, I saw the biggest inspiration. So you could bet that's coming soon. If you guys like what you see here and you want to see more, then please hit the like button and also hit subscribe while you're at it. If you didn't, you can leave a thumbs down. You won't hurt my feelings. I appreciate your honesty. Let me know, have you guys ever played Dungeons and Dragons? Would you be interested in playing Dungeons and Dragons? If I ever did a campaign, would you be interested? Because to be honest, after watching Black Panther, I wouldn't mind doing a D&D campaign set in Wakanda. If anybody can hook that up for me, I would greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. All my social media links will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.